I do. Hello everyone, it's Njako Gift, your favorite presenter, and guess what? I'm feeling so excited today. I know you're used to seeing my excited mode, but today is so special. Today I feel so emotional about a whole lot of things happening. It's day 35 of the 35 days video challenge I took up. Can someone shout for me? Like, I feel so excited. I really don't know what to talk about today, but I'm sure going to talk about something, like anything that comes to mind that is sure going to inspire you and bless your soul. So I don't know. I feel so excited. I feel like dancing the song, like, but I don't. That's how today is. I don't have a stable, a stable place to place my camera and dance. Okay, so I feel like I should talk about consistency, because consistency helped me get to this place today. Helped me get to day 35 of the 35 days video challenge. Yeah. So many motivational speakers, so many people would say consistency is a fuel to success. It's like a motivator that helps you get to where you want to get to, and I think yes, that works. That has worked for me in so many things I've put my hands to doing, and my mind as well. As far as this 35 days video challenge is concerned, consistency has really kept me going. Special thanks to our coach, the initiator of the 35 days video challenge, Toastmaster coach, mentor, everything, Mr. Oludaisi Joseph. God bless you, sir, for starting something like this and inspiring a whole lot of persons who joined in the challenge, including my humble self. Salute to you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, sir. This is from Njako Gift you and I'm just really so playful. But then let's relate to everything we do in life. If you want to get to where you want to get to without procrastination, please take action. Be consistent. It might not be as good, it might not look as good as it seems from the start, even at the middle, but as long as you remain consistent and committed, you're going to see results. Let me tell you something. Today is not actually like the 35th day exactly when I started. I missed about 3 or 4 days. Yes, due to one or two things. But see what the lesson in this challenge, it was not so smooth along the line. There were times when I felt like, is this going to work? There were times when I had to do my video around past 10 p.m. Yes, whether there was light or not, I'll just on touch lights. Like right now, there's no light, although there's no touch because it's just 15 minutes past 6 p.m. But then there were times when I had to just discipline myself and stand up to get something done, because I know I had a task ahead of me. Yeah, so this is life. Even despite the fact that I missed out on few days, I refused to stop. I told myself, see these 35 videos, you will do it. You will do it. And I am here. I've done it. Like, nothing is really impossible when you set out your mind to do it. So whatever it is, see, there is something this 35 days video challenge has poured in me. Seriously, I mean every bit of what I'm saying. It has really brought out the intentionality in Njako Gift. It has really brought out the intentionality in me. It's not like I've not been intentional all my life. At some point, I know I've been intentional, but you need things to motivate you. You need drivers. You can't stay comfortable with a particular place where you are, a particular position. You have to think about doing more, being more, and acting more, like better, in a better version of you, of course, and not going back without causing any change. So many things, this video challenge has really done a lot, has redefined my thinking faculty. See, I understand 35 days was just like summarizing life's journey. There were hurdles, there were moments when I felt so excited about starting, and I started strong, and along the line I kind of felt I lost interest, but you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. So I feel good about it. Showing up and showing up strong was the slogan. Moving forward, ahead. I always had it at the back of my mind. I can't quit. I won't quit. I would finish. And here I am. Please, guys, do not quit. Whatever you set out to do, do it. Put your mind to it, and you will achieve it. So it's like double portion of everything. Today also marks the end of Making a Difference Leadership Conference. Like, I am ending my 35 days video challenge in grand style. I gained so much value from the Making a Difference Leadership Conference that was organized by Quint Impact Initiative on raising the emergence of iconic leaders, guys. It was super exciting. It was super exciting. It has increased the joy I feel inside. So please do not stop. I have testimonies about this 35 days video challenge I put up. Yes, I won a prize money. Yes, from a happy viewer. Yes, someone viewed my status. And not just only my status, the updates, the video, watch the video and has been watching. And the Lord laid it in the person's heart to bless me. See, I feel so grateful. This little effort actually yielded so many dividends. I've gotten so much feedback that has made me feel like I didn't waste my time. I did not waste my time. It's already 6 minutes, past 6 minutes in this video. It's going to be like one of the longest so far. It's the last. So it's okay if it's the longest, right? Yes. So guys, I'm so happy. Special thanks to everyone who has been dropping their feedbacks. Thank you. You made this video challenge better for me. You motivated me. You sparked up the interest to complete in me. I know there are times when you have to finish strong with or without cheers. For every cheers I got as regards how valuable my video has been, really increased and motivated me. So special thanks to you all who have been watching and of course commenting and liking. Thank you so much. It's a girl Njoku Gift, aka Gifted Hands, aka the Guru Speaker. You can also call me the public speaking guru. Yes, that name was like bested on me by another public speaker, and I felt like, okay, it's fine. Thank you so much. I take it. It's an honor. Thank you. So thank you everyone that has been viewing my videos and commenting on my videos. May the good Lord bless you. Thank you. See you very soon. Bye. All right. Bye.